Today we're gonna make this refreshing Bibb salad with shallot dressing. To get started on making our Bibb lettuce and shallot dressing, we're gonna start with 1 head of Bibb lettuce. So when you take the Bibb lettuce, you're gonna wash it out, and then you're gonna pull all of the leaves off of the core, just like this, around that. I love Bibb lettuce. It has such a distinct flavor. It's almost like buttery and refreshing, so you don't need to add a lot of ingredients on top of it because it's so delicious the way it is. So we're gonna take all these Bibb lettuce leaves and I'm gonna arrange them in this bowl. And I'm only gonna do a couple simple ingredients. We're gonna do some chopped chives. Just chop those, put them all around. Some sliced avocado. And then the star of the show is this dressing that we're gonna make. So we're gonna do a shallot dressing. So we're gonna do in here, of course, olive oil. We're gonna do 1 shallot. We're gonna use the you could do food processor, blender, whatever you have. Bullet, Ninja. Add that to our olive oil. Next, some lemon. Of course, some salt and pepper. A little bit of water in this recipe. And a little mustard. Look at that beautiful dressing. So easy, refreshing, healthy, and delicious. Pour that all over the salad. And put a little protein on top of this and you have a full meal. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips.